Hey guys, welcome back. It's PR California. So I ended up getting the new LED puddle lights. This is a new logo. The video I posted the other day was with the old logo. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be installing these into the rear door, hopefully, and doing a side-by-side comparison. So you guys could figure out which one you guys like better. And then I'm going to be giving away one. It's either going to be the new logo or the old logo. I'm not too sure yet, but we'll figure that out as we go along. So I'm not going to be doing an install. If you guys want to see the install, the link will be at the end of this video. I already did the install. This is just going to be more of a side-by-side comparison so you guys could check out whether you'd want to buy the new logo or the old logo and install it into your car. So yeah, let's get down there. And all right guys, so it's the middle of the night. I'm going to head over here to check out these LEDs, see how they came out. Alright, so this is the first generation Chrysler LED pedal light. That is that. And then here's a more or less side-by-side comparison to the new generation. Yeah, there's really no way I could get in there. Show you guys side by side. But at the end of the day, my wife gets to pick which one she wants. So, which one is it? Do you want the new generation or the older generation?
I'm gonna go with the new gen.
The new gen? Alright. She's going with this one. So that means that we're going to be giving away this bad guy right here. So all you have to do to enter to win is be subscribed to my channel, give me a thumbs up on this video, and comment, "I need that." Alright guys, so I'll be announcing the winner in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, till next time.